In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Mailchimp audience. Keeping your audience names clear and consistent makes it much easier to manage campaigns, segment subscribers, and avoid sending to the wrong list. Let's walk through the process together, and I'll share a few simple tips along the way so you feel confident making this change. Start by signing in to your Mailchimp account and looking at the left-hand navigation. Click Audience. If you only work with one audience, Mailchimp may take you right into it. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see the audience option. This is your home base for subscriber management. Once you're in the audience area, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a three dots icon, sometimes labeled as a More Options menu. Click that to reveal additional controls that aren't visible by default. This menu collects shortcuts for settings you don't use every day but need quick access to when you're organizing and maintaining your list. From that drop-down, choose Audience Settings. This opens the settings page dedicated to the selected audience. Think of it as the control center for how your audience is identified and managed across Mailchimp. Near the top of the settings page, you'll see the current name of your audience. Click Edit next to the audience name to make it editable. Then type the new name you want to use. Aim for a name that's short, descriptive, and easy to recognize in a hurry. For example, include the brand or department and the purpose, like Main Newsletter, North America, or Event Updates, Spring 2020s. This helps prevent mix-ups if you manage multiple audiences for different regions, products, or teams. When you're happy with the new name, confirm the change. Mailchimp will apply it right away, and you'll see the updated name reflected throughout your account wherever that audience appears. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Renaming an audience does not alter your subscribers, tags, or segments, and it doesn't merge audiences. It also won't break past campaigns. They'll remain associated with the same audience. If your account has multiple users and you can't edit the name, you may need higher permissions from an administrator. That's all there is to it. Click Audience on the left, open the three dots menu in the top right, select Audience Settings, and edit the audience name. With a clear, consistent naming convention, managing your Mailchimp audiences becomes faster, safer, and far less confusing.